I'm going to present a topic on one of the extension we have developed recently to send the event information to Google Tag Manager to do the event analysis, how the users interacting with the website, and how users are means how they are those interactions going to be like page views or edits or whatever they are doing. This is recently developed. uh, uh, I have access to it. Okay. Myself, Devendra. I'm from India. Currently, I'm working as a senior web developer, MediaWiki, at Pegasystems. This extension developed by Wout. He's from Wikibase Solutions, and this extension, the sponsor is Pegasystems, and this extension is not available public. Means this extension going to be public soon, but it's not yet uh, not yet published yet, not published yet. So it's going to be available publicly soon. um, I'm going to explain briefly about what is Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. Google Tag Manager is a tag management system that has the same functionality like Google Tag. Um Google The tags are designed to easily reference the information that is added to the uh, events which we are sending from the website. Google Analytics 4 is an analytics tool uh, to get the analytical information of the user interactions and the traffic of the website by using Google Analytics 4. What is the importance of the event tracking is majorly how users are interacting and how the website traffic on which pages more users are interacting, or how you website is performing on the click events, whatever the users are doing on the wiki site. Uh, yeah. Next is like these are the differences between earlier Google Analytics, Universal Analytics 4, and the Google Analytics 4. Sorry, Google Analytics 3 and Google Analytics 4. Earlier we have very limited to the event parameters. Now, earlier we have numerous types of events like page view, session event, social, user timing, exception, app, screen view, transaction. These kind of numerous types of events are there. Now everything is a event now in GA4 model, and event parameters, those all are unlimited. Earlier we have only three, and Google Tag Manager is also optional at the time. Now it is required to send the data to Google Analytics 4, means whatever the interactions happening on the website, that this is the middleware right now. We earlier it's like separately tracking of that web and application tracked information, like now everything is means we can track it at once. um, what is an event? Event is when the user interacts with the component of a website, like when the user clicks, or when the user try to edit a page, or edit or save the page, and try to add anything on the page, and search events. Here you can see some of the examples like page loads, link clicks, form submissions, video plays, page edits, and anything is happening on the uh, page, we can count it as a event. uh, this is the data flow diagram, how the data is sent to uh, Google Analytics from our website. Like first we need to create a Google Tag container that need to be installed on our our site. Means this is the major thing we this extension going to do. Like we are going to send the information whatever the events happened on our wiki website to Google Tag Manager by using this the container which we need to install on our site first. By using that, we are going to send this GTM. This is a container ID. By using this, there are some default events they can capture by using that Google Tag Manager, like the scrolling of the page, uh, and these all are the on click events. Anything, any clickable things happened on the event, that those all are the custom events we can generate and send it to the um, Google Analytics 4. In this, a major object is data layer object. Data layer object is used to pass the information to Google Tag Manager. That is the major object to push the data to data layer object. uh, Means now uh, I will explain regarding what is Google Tag Manager event extension. The purpose of the extension is like designed to facilitate the every interaction and sending user specific interaction events and webs from a website to GTM, Google Tag Manager, which sends the data to GA4 by using the triggers, Google Tag Manager triggers. By using the triggers that will send the information to GA4. The major thing for this extension is like we are going to send the event data to the GTM. That is the main focus of this extension. The key features are like predefined events like page views. The fields are like user ID, title, page title, flexible to this extension is flexible to add new event properties and add new events also. um, and this is how look Google Tag Manager when we create when we log into the Google Tag Manager tool, and then we need to create a container for that. This is a testing details. This head and body need to be added inside our website. It's lost. These two details need to be added before we interacting with the Google Tag Manager. And this is the tag container ID, and there will be some other details like extras, like authorization details that will be based on the organization. uh, these all are actually these all are we are not handling these details, so I am not go in depth for these things. I will explain the what extension going to do to send the information. um, this is how integration with website, like inside our website, when we are going to add this script to our uh, website. By using this extension, we directly uh, uh, communicate with the Google Tag Manager. And the event configuration, like in the local settings, we can add predefined events like page view, visual edit editor opened, page edit saved, created, and edit restored, and some other events also we are planning in the phase 2. This is a phase 1, so it's not completed yet. So in the phase 2, we are going to add some more events like search, wiki search, whatever the user interacting with the search filters, search terms, those properties also we are going to add in the next phase. Um these all are the predefined fields like title, display title, namespace key like hub name, and minor and major edits. These all are some examples I have added here. And this is how we need to configure the things. So first, we need to download the Google Tag Manager and configure as means how we are usually do the extension configuration. The same way we need to do these all are the example IDs. Event ID, like this is a tag manager container ID we need to add. And these all are auth extras, like how means authorization details we need to add. uh, and this is done, and this extension is not published yet publicly. uh, and you can see these all are the uh, default configurations for this extension. This is a event name and event properties, like this page view. uh, this page view name should be means inside the tag manager we have the tags, right? Inside the tag we need to create this event name. Then this will interact means this will interact properly with the names, means there will be no confusion with that event. So we have used the same kind of things, like the name should be uh, same as Google Tag Manager and GA4 uh, analytics. And these are one more event, like event saved and event created. Um, these all are the customizations we can do, like we can add event properties, the user reg ID, and these will be taken from uh, from this value from the whoever the user logs in, he that information will be get. And the some SMW properties, semantic media wiki properties also we are taking from the page, like page type. um, these are the page view, and inside this you can see user ID knowledge. It's a title, display title, and the content group. These all are the default values we are getting from the page itself. And once any user and this one will load on each and every page, because everything is a page view. So this extension JavaScript loads on every page and gives the event as a page view. It's an event name called page view, and this event is sent to Google Tag Manager. We can use this information by using the properties and other details. We can create a dashboard who how many users viewing that page, and other details. um, and this is a data layer kind of. This example is like we can check the event details we are sending properly or not. We can use data layer extension on Google Chrome. In this we can see the details, uh, like this is a event name and user ID, title of the page, um, and GTM. These all are the GTM events, uh, default ones from the container itself. Uh, and by using this event name, it's going to recognize it by that GTM, that this is a page view event triggered on this page. Uh, and this is dashboard insights, like how it will look like on uh, GA4. um, it's like in GA4, it's an empty means this is a users and new users average engagement time, means how much time they are watching that page, and how many users are there, users by country, and the traffic of the page we can analyze. And there are so many things, but I don't want to go in depth for this. Uh, and this is how it will look like on Google Analytics 4. um, and this is one of the um, m- means one of the event registering by using the default MediaWiki hook post event. Once this event occurs, we need to call this function to send the information to GTM events. Means first we need to configure this variable, and that data layer comes under this events. um, uh, this is completely self-explanatory. GTM events call events like post event action. Once this post event is called, like saved or created, restored, uh, based on that event name, it will send it to data layer push thing, then that will send to GTM Google Tag Manager. Uh, in this, we have discussed about GTM, GA4, and the purpose of Google Tag Manager event extension, and how to set up, uh, and the use cases. Sorry, I missed down. Okay, might be. Means the roadmap is like we are going to add more events to this extension and publicly release it soon. Uh, yeah. Uh, uh, that's it. Do you have any questions? Sorry. Hello.
Okay. What's your motivation for creating this extension?
Creation is like means in Pega we have a one wiki. We have an internal wiki. We plan to means analyze the things on GA4. Means how users are interacting, and we are planning to create reports based on that. So we prepared this extension.
Questions? Are there any questions online?
Well, and how does this compare to the other extensions that relate to Google Tags?
Other similar extensions on MediaWiki?
I think.
It's similar to GTag only. Google Tag Manager means that every tag is similar to GTag, but we can create some custom tags and send it to GTM. And means the GTM, if you see here, one second. We can create variables. You can see here we can create tags, triggers, and variables inside this GTM. Means those all are customized. Custom tags also we can create uh, based on our requirement, and we can implement those things inside this.
There's a comment on YouTube from Victor, says similar extensions do not push events to the data layer.
Okay.
Is there would there be a use case or a way to use this to find out what components of your wiki or what parts of your wiki people are actually having difficulties with, like frequent page reloads, frequent retries, that kind of stuff?
Means the performance also we are going to analyze how the pages are loading. Sorry if I'm get you wrong. Means recently we faced one issue, like in visual editor things we are facing some issue, like that is not creating any event for that. We are still means investigating on that. Might be we'll check in a different call. I'm sorry, I might wrongly explain things, but some means I'm completely not heard your query. Sorry for that.
Hidden under the question. Oh, sorry.
You heard the question.
Yeah, I was more curious about whether like the people who are using it, their experience, or especially people who aren't familiar with the wiki itself, if there are ways to find out, like, do they have to re-edit something? Are they having problems with markup? Are they having problems with, uploading images with them? Like using this, going back to recent changes and stuff.
Yeah, so does the tool help with that?
Yeah.
Does the tool help to find users that are having issues?
Yeah, means those all are means in Pega is like a entire engineering team using this wiki to share the information. They are not completely aware of this means wiki text and other stuff. They are using only visual editors, and yeah, this will help you to means how means again we are reloading the pages, and how many times the hits are happening. We can analyze the engagements on that page. Yep.
Any other questions? All right, well, thank you very much, we appreciate it.